Computer Core Complex and Pinewood Research Facility Complex. A chaos raid warning has been issued until further notice. This is not a test. At 4:59 p.m. GMT, the PBST guards from the topside have detected white trucks and heavy tanks approaching the research facility complex via satellites. All of them carry the Syndicates dispatched by Sergeant, with loaded weapons and black uniforms with the Mayhem Syndicate logo. They are confirmed as a dangerous threat amongst Pinewood Builders. This is a life-threatening event. We urged all visitors and staff at the research facility complex and computer core complex to stay calm and hide. To have a high chance of survival, lock all entrances and cover all windows. Disable all accesses to the computer core complex too. Cover and hide yourself from danger. If you see a syndicate, stay away from it and report to the security immediately. They wanted to break in and end your life. The syndicates also have crowbars, so they can break locked doors and enter inside. They are capable of raiding Pinewood facilities since the 1980s. If you encounter a syndicate, do not try to fight back. Only security and members with weapons equipped can fight back and eliminate the syndicates. All securities are urged to fight back against the Mayhem Syndicate until all syndicates are perished. All facilities will go under lockdown immediately. And remember, the best way for your high chance of survival is to stay vigilant and hide. Repeating, this is a chaos raid warning and all precautions must be taken immediately. This message will repeat until further notice.